Have you ever wondered how you can earn money while you sleep? Yes, you've always heard about learning different skills to create passive income, but that still requires your time and efforts, right? How about I tell you that you don't even need a skill at all? You just need a good computer and a mining software. Crypto has made it easier for everyone in today's world, and people are benefiting from it. No hard work, but smart work. On the 8th of September 2025, money printer AppX Handle announced that everyone can now mine Epic using a MacBook. This is a good news for those who had no PC but a MacBook. Epic Cash community is making everything possible to see that making money is available for everyone. Stress-free download, KYC-free registration, and a very user-friendly mining app with little storage requirement. Invest in a PC, download the Money Printer app, and keep it running. In a short time, you will accumulate lots of epic rewards. Use the following promo code to earn more points, and don't forget to get the download link in the description below.